Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial I'll be showing you the easiest way on how to achieve the perfect brows. So with that, let's get started. First, I'll be brushing through my eyebrow with my spoolie. Then I'll be using a dark brown eyebrow pencil to stencil how I want my eyebrows to shape out. Then I'll shade it in with it. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown to shade out my eyebrows. I'm now using my e.l.f. cream foundation in the shade medium to clean up under my eyebrow. I'm now using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast to clean up above my eyebrows. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.